Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Hope you are doing well. Yes, today we will cover word problems at page number 46. Okay, dear students, here is the statement: solve the problems writing complete statements. We have to solve all of these problems using the statements to elaborate. Okay, let's start. First word problem. What is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 15 and 9? In this statement, we are supposed to give an answer that we are asked that how many children can be arranged in row of 12 and 15 and 9. First of all, we will have to find out the prime factors, common factors and LCM. In last, we can find the LCM because we are asked least number. Let's move to the solution now. We are asked least number of children arranged in the 3 rows and we are given the numbers 12, 15 and 9. So first of all we will take out the prime factors of 12. We know that 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we have found out the prime factors of these numbers. Prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. 15, the prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5 and the prime factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Okay dear students, we have taken out the prime factors of 12, 15 and 9. Now we have to figure out the common factors. Yes, we can see that 3 is a common factor. So we have to write common factor is 3. And what are the non-common factors? 2 into 2 into 5 and 3. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. As we all know that the formula of LCM is common factors into non-common factors. So we will put the values. Common factors are 3 only and non-common factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. We will multiply all these numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 12 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6, 12 5s are 60 and 63s are 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. So 180. It will be 180. So the least number of children arranged in 3 rows are 180. Okay dear students, let's move to the question number 2. Okay. Second statement is 3 bells toll at an interval of 4, 5 and 6 seconds. What does toll mean? Beta, toll means the sound of a bell that is struck. You can simply say that the 3 bells are ringing or 3 bells ring at an interval of 4, 5 and 6 seconds. After how much time will they toll together? We have to tell the time after which all the 3 bells will ring together. Let's move to the solution now. Okay, the solution is the first bell will toll at 4 seconds. So we will write the interval of first bell to toll as equals to 4 seconds. The second bell will toll at 5 seconds or after 5 seconds. The third bell will toll after 6 seconds. So I have written a statement for this. You can use this statement. Okay, now we are supposed to find out the toll, the ring that will be heard when all the 3 bells will be heard together. So first of all we have to take out the prime factors of the given numbers. Let's take out the prime factor of 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So we will write the prime factors of 4, 5 and 6 respectively. The prime factors of 4 are 2 into 2. The prime factors of 5 are 5 only. And the prime factor of 6 is 2 into 3. So we will figure out the common factor among these three numbers. Okay, dear students, let me tell you a thing. If you are supposed to find the common factors using, we have to find the LCM. So in LCM, whenever we have to figure out the common factors, we can use two numbers that have common factors. For example, we are having three numbers now. So two of them have common factors, so we will point out them or we will figure out them. Okay, no matter the third one has the common factor or not. So we will point that this is the common factor among the three all, whether the third number has that common factor or not. So we will consider this 2 as common factor. So the other non-common factors are 2 into 5 into 3. So the common factor and non-common, you know the LCM formula of LCM is common factors into non-common factors. So we will put the values here. Common factors is 2 only and non-common factor is 2 into 5 into 3. We will multiply all these values. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 20, 3s are 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6. So 23s are 60. So 60 will be the answer. So now we can write the statement or the result from our book, that is the three bell will toll together after an interval of 60 seconds. You can write this. So here is the result. Beta, three bells will toll together after an interval of 60 seconds. This is the problem number 2. The problem number 3. Let's read the statement of the problem number 3 first and understand it. So the statement is Saima goes to her friend every 15 days and Laiba goes to same friend every 18 days. In this statement, dear students, we are told that Saima and Laiba goes to their friend house. Both have the common friend. So Saima goes after every 15 days and Laiba goes after every 18 days. After how many days Saima and Laiba will visit the friend together? So we are supposed to tell the number of days after which Saima and Laiba can go or visit their friend's house together. So we are supposed to tell the number of days after which Saima and Laiba can visit together. Okay, let's move to the solution now. Saima visits her friend house after 15 days. This is required. Given. Laiba visits the same friend after 18 days. Both these values are given in the statement. So we are supposed to tell the number of days after how many days both girls can visit to their friend together. So first of all, we have to take out the prime factors of the given numbers. Okay, then we can find the LCM. Okay, let's start taking out or finding out the prime factors of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. We will write it here. The prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. The prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3. So the common factors among these two is 3. So the common factor is 3. What are the non-common factors? 5, 3 and 2. The non-common factors among between 15 and 18 are 2 into 3 into 5. We know that the formula for LCM is common factor into non-common factors. So we will multiply common factors and non-common factors together. 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. Let's multiply all these values. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 5s are, let's find out. 18 5 8s are 40, 4 carries, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 9. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So we will get 18 multiplied by 5 equals to 90. Now the result will be Saima and Laiba will visit their friend's house together after 90 days. How many days? 90 days. Now we will read the last question or last problem of page number 46. That is, what is the least number which can be exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72? This is a very simple question, dear students. In this question, we are supposed to tell the least number which is exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72. Simply we will take out the LCM of these three and prime factors of these three and find out the LCM. Let's move to the solution now. In this question, we are supposed to tell least number that can be divided by 36, 64 and 72. We have to find out this. Let's find out by solving it. First of all, we have to take out the prime factors of the given numbers. 36 is divided by 2. First of all, we will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now 64, 2, as it ends as this figure is ending on the even number, so it is divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 72, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, same like this. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we have taken out the prime factors of 36, 64 and 72. We will write this here. The prime factors, we have taken out the prime factors of 36, 64 and 72. We will write it here. The prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factors of 64 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the prime factors of 72 are 3 times 2, 1, 2, 3 and 2 times 3, 1. Okay, 3. Now we have to figure out the common factors. 2, 2. As I told you before that we can figure out a common factor between the 2 also. So this is also a common factor. And now look, 3 here and here. This one and this 3 also. So now we will write that common factors are 2, 2, 2. 3 times 2 and 1 and 2. 2 times 3. 1, 2. So non-common factors are 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3. So as we know that already, the LCM, the formula for LCM is common factors into non-common factors. So we will put the values and take out the value for LCM. Common factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and non-common factors are 3 times 2. Okay, now we will multiply all of these. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are, let's solve it. 24 3s are 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 1 72. Now 72 2s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Now again we will multiply by 2. 144 multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. 2 is left now, so we will multiply the value by 2 again. So it will be 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 6, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 17, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 5. So the answer will be 5, 76. The result is 576 actually is a number that is exactly divisible by 36, 64 and 72. So dear students, we covered these 4 word problems today. You have to practice them by heart. Good luck.